Welcome to my channel Maths Pursuit. Today we will look into the questions from the chapter called Introduction to Trigonometry. Hello friends, may I request you to please click on the subscribe button below this video.
The given question is, if sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So guys, let's see how we are going to prove this particular given equation or given question, and what are the steps that we are following to find out our result or find out the value of a. Now, the given question is, what is the question? They have given that they have given the question as sec 4a is equal to sec 4a. They have given sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. Cosec a minus 20 degree. This is being given in the question, and we need to find out the value of a. And the other condition that they have given, 4a is an acute angle. Guys, the other condition that they have given is 4a is an acute angle. If something is an acute angle, then it is less than 90 degree, because we very well know that an acute angle is the angle which is less than 90 degree. So therefore 4a is less than 90 degree is what is being given. Now, keeping these things in our mind, let us move ahead and see how we are going to solve this question. Now guys, I am going to use the trigonometric formulas or identities here, and I will try to solve this one. We very well know that sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. This is what we very well know as for the trigonometric formulas or identities. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. Now looking at the question here, they have given sec 4a. So let me consider this value of theta as 4a. So I can rewrite this one, sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta is, when theta value is 4a, I can write sec 4a is equal to cosec 90 degree minus 4a. Guys, this is what I got. Like we know that sec theta is equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta. Now replacing the value of theta with 4a, I can write sec 4a is equal to cosec 90 degree minus 4a. Let us name this one as equation 1. Now guys, the given what is being given in the question? It is being given that sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree or a minus 20. This is being given in the question. Or I can rewrite this above question as cosec 90 degree, this is 90 degree, cosec 90 degree minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. What I did here, the above equation or the above question they have given is sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. But from equation 1, I learned that, or we got that sec 4a is equal to cosec 90 degree minus 4a. Just I replace the value of sec 4a here with cosec 90 degree minus 4a. And what I got? We got cosec 90 degree minus 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20 degree. Or I can write 90 degree minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degree. How? This cosec and this cosec cancels out. We are left with only 90 degree minus 4a is equal to a minus 20 degree. Or I can write 90 degree, or I can write 90 degree plus 20 degree is equal to a plus 4a. So what I did here in this step, I just took this minus 20 degree from left hand side to the right hand side, so it became positive here. And then I took this minus 4a from the left hand side to the right hand side, it became plus 4a. Or I can write 90 plus 20, 9 2 is 11, so 110 degree is equal to 5a, a plus 4a is 5a. Or I can write a is equal to 110 upon 5. Or I can say a is equal to 22, because 5 to that 10, 5 to the 10. So what I got? I got the value of A is equal to 22. Guys, this 22 is our, in fact, this is the 22 degree and this 22 is our answer. If you look here, this 22 is nothing but, this is the degree and this is our answer. And you could see, because in the question they asked us to find the value of A. And as per the question, this value of A is less than 90 degree because this is an acute angle. So you can say this 22 degree which is less than 90 degree, and this is our answer. Hope guys you understood this, the calculation or this process. This is very simple and very straightforward. You can just take into account the trigonometric identities and prove the given result or find out the values. But still, if you have any question or doubt, please reach out to me in the comment section of this video. Definitely I will get back to you once I see your comments. Guys, if you really like my videos, please subscribe.
If you really like my videos, I would request you to kindly subscribe and also let your friends know. This will motivate me to create similar videos in the future. Thank you. Bye.